This is Go Math chapter review for chapter 6, and this is part 2. So 1 through 3 were on video part 1. This is part 2. Question number 4. There are 4 penguins. 2 penguins are taken from the set. How many penguins are left? Trace and write to complete the subtraction sentence. 4 penguins. 2 penguins are taken from the set. And so we see these penguins are going away. So when we have 4 subtract 2, our answer is 2. We have 2 penguins left. So our subtraction equation is 4 minus 2 equals 2. Question number 5. There are 7 birds. Some birds are taken from the set. How many birds are left? So we have 7 birds. We take some away, and it looks like we have this set to take away. How many birds are in that set? 1, 2, 3. So 7 subtract 3 equals, and we see our difference over here. Our difference, or the answer to our subtraction problem, is 4. So our equation is 7 subtract 3 equals 4. Problem number 6. Does the number sentence match the picture? Circle yes or no. We've already done 2 pictures that are similar to this one. This one just has the Lincoln cubes, or the cube trains. So it looks like we had 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know that this one is not going to match because it doesn't start with 5, right? And we see that they're Xing those out, so that represents subtraction or taking away. And how many are X'd out? So we have 5 subtract 4 here, and we know that equation is correct, but they didn't take 4 away. They show 2 taken away. So this one is no, and our answer is the third equation here, 5 subtract 2, which was the amount taken away, is 3. So we could say we had a cube train of 5. We took with 2 blue cubes away, and we have 3 red cubes left, so that answer is yes. Question number 7. Mark under all the number sentences that match the cubes. So we need to do some work here and see what we have. We have 1, 2, 3 red cubes, and you were probably able to subitize that or see it automatically. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blue cubes. So we have 3 and 7. Well, I see 3 and 7 in this equation, 3 and 7 in this equation. But here I see 6, so we know that it doesn't match. So I'm just going to put a little X by that to tell me that it doesn't match. So does 10 equal 3 plus 7? If I have my 7 and I count on 3 more, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yes, this equation matches. And if we look at this equation, they've just flipped it. We have 10 equals 3 plus 7. Well, does 3 plus 7 equal 10? And 3 reds, 7 blues equals 10. Here we're saying 10 equals 3 reds plus 7 blues. That's part 2 of the chapter review for Kindergarten Go Math.